Hi everyone, this is Lisa from DataVoke. Today, I'd like to show you how the import action works. So let's first flip our view into design mode. And let's add a new button. Let's edit our button. We'll give it a name and a tooltip. We'll update the icon. And now let's add the action. Now, as you can see with this action, there are no additional options at the bottom, but we can add a developer hint. And now we'll save and close. We'll capture our work. So now we can test out our button. Some things to note about importing data. Data needs to be in the tab delimited format, similar to an Excel spreadsheet. And I have an example here of my Excel spreadsheet. The system is going to import the data from left to right. So it's going to look at the first value and match it up with the first value in your view. So it's important to make sure if you have 5 columns of data in your view, you have 5 columns of data in your tab delimited file. So here I've copied this data. It's another important thing to note is in order to import data into your view, it also needs to be located on your local clipboard by copying it, which I've already done. So now let's click on the import button. This brings up our import wizard. So if we click in the middle here, we can paste the data from our Excel spreadsheet. Now you'll notice up top here, there are 3 options. There's new, updated, and the same. This is to set the status of the data that you're importing. Anything that's new will import with whatever status you put in new. Anything that's updated get imported with the status of update. So let's change our status on new to new and update and the same. And now let's import our data. As you can see, it brings up a window showing us that our data was successfully imported. We have 9 new records, 36 new values. So we'll hit OK. And as you can see, our new data is down here at the bottom. So let's hit save. Now let's try importing a line that's the same so we can see what it does. So let's go back to our data. Let's grab this one here at the top, copy it. We'll click on import and we'll paste it. And now let's update our statuses. So my status for new imports the data just as you see it on the view. My status for update will update the line in blue lettering. My status for the same will put the line in bold if it's the same. So let's import. And as you can see, our results show that 1 record was updated and there were no changed values. And as you can see, this line now is in bold, showing that the data came in, but it was the same and no changes were made. So let's save again. Now let's go and make a change to our line so we can see the status for update. So let's change our zip code. And now let's copy our line again. And we'll import, paste our data, and update our statuses. And now let's import. And this time the zip code should be in blue to show that we've updated it. And again, you can see on our results, it shows 1 updated record, 1 updated value, and 3 of those values were not changed. And there it is. It's now in blue to show that we've made an update to that zip code. Well, there you have the import action.
Please visit us again for more helpful videos, or check us out at DataVoke.com.